Hello students, welcome with new lecture, that is question number 6 of exercise 2.4 of chapter 2. So let us start. Question number 6 says there is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mahuli village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. Students, there is one village named Mahuli village. There one plot in the shape of rectangle is reserved for a school whose length and breadth are given in ratio. So whenever they are giving us in ratio, we take in terms of x, you know that. So let us take the length as 11x and breadth as 4x. Moving further, at the rate of 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. Now students, this plot which they have reserved for school, it was not having any fence. That means there is no barriers put for around this rectangular plot. So for putting barriers around this field, they required some rope or something so that they can protect the field from outsider. And that cost of putting barriers around the rectangular field, total cost is rupees 75,000. Total cost is rupees 75,000, which is at the rate of rupees 100 per meter. Now fencing is done in the perimeter of the rectangle. So we have to find the perimeter of rectangle also, so that we can find the dimensions, because they have asked us to find the dimension, that is the length and the breadth. So let us start. Let the length of the rectangular plot be 11x and the breadth be 4x. Since I have told we have to find perimeter, so we will find, therefore the perimeter is equal to 2 into bracket length plus breadth. And what is length? Length is 11x plus breadth is 4x. So we will get 2 into bracket 15x, which is equal to 30x. So perimeter which we want is 30x. Now students, according to question, total cost formula is for total cost is rate per meter into perimeter of the rectangle. And what is total cost? They have given us total cost as rupees 75,000. What is the rate per meter? That is also they have given, it is 100 rupees. And what is the perimeter? Perimeter is 30x. So it is very easy. Now we will multiply 100 with 30x. So we will get 3000x, and here 75,000 will remain as it is. Now we want to find x so that we can put it in length and breadth. and we find the dimension of the plot. So we will keep the x as it is over there and bring 3000, which is in multiplication here, to LHS. So 3 zeros are cut and 3 into 25 is 75. Therefore x is equal to 25. Putting this value, putting x is equal to 25 in length is equal to 11x, we get length is equal to 11 into 25, which is 20 into 10 is 200. Sorry, 25 into 10 is 250 and 25 ones is 25. So we will get 275 rupees. Sorry, 275 meter. Sorry, it is in meter because it is length. And putting x is equal to in breadth is 4 into 25. So that is 4x. So 25 into 4 is 100. So this is our answer. Length is 11x, that is 275 meter, and breadth is 100 meter. And that is what they want from us. They want us to find the dimensions. Dimensions are length and breadth. Hope you have understood this question. We will meet with new question in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.